There you go. They're already flying out. And if they fly, that's the time I really want. I'm waiting for the time that they're gonna fly out. But it looks like nobody flying out, or not, nobody wants to fly yet. But I'll just wait and see if they start to fly away. If they fly, let's see. It looks like this group are ready to fly. If one flies, everybody flies. I don't know where they're going, but I'm just waiting. All right. That's the one I'm waiting for. So yeah, yes, they already fly out. So maybe another group. Today, my friend, I will present you a simple video while I'm walking here on the Whittier's Narrow. I just like to see the birds that hanging out here in this lake. Very simple video, and what's this, my friend? Good afternoon, everyone. Yes, it's already a sundown, my friend. I'm just waiting for more time so that the sun will go down more. The reflection will be a blue light. Oh no, look at this. The family went up on the top of the fence. They are in trouble. They are being attacked. I don't know these people. They don't listen at all. You know, there's a big sign there that you are not allowed to feed the birds. Oh no, no. You guys might be in trouble. Whole family in the top of the fence. Too many geese. Alright, the whole family. Too many birds here. People are feeding. Yes, they bring a lot of feeds for the birds, and the birds are just hanging around. Alright, I'm gonna continue walking. The birds here are waiting for somebody to feed them. Oh, I'm sorry guys, I don't have anything. You can go somewhere. You're gonna get anything from me. There are like too many, and I can see it everywhere. It's time, maybe it's already dark, getting dark, so that's the issue why they're here on the river or on the edge of the lake. Maybe they're waiting for somebody to feed. Oh, there's another flock of geese waiting to be fed. So now I think the people that feed them, maybe they finish all the food that they want to feed. Look at these geese, they're big and not scared with the people. I'm just passing right in front of you. Don't chase me. Too many of them. Oh yeah. So we'll just keep walking around here. They're so loud. Probably later on they can apply, and maybe I will just stay here, and most of them will just fly later on. So I'll just hang out here for a while. Ooh. By hundreds. Oh, here you go. There you go. That's a lot of them are landing. Yes. Yes, there you go. But pretty soon, all of them will just fly out. If one fly out, everybody fly out. It's nice to look at these birds. If somebody will start to fly, I will just stay here. I will just wait. Ooh, this is the bull. This is the big one. The white one, that's the really a big geese. White body with the spotted brown. I don't know if that's the male or what. But look at this. It's look like I'm in a farm. If one will fly, everybody will fly. Will fly out. Nobody start yet. So I will just hang out until somebody flies. Wow, it's a beauty. This is all wild. I've been here for a long time already. And what a beautiful place to hang out. I don't want to give anything to them because there's a big sign that you are not allowed. You are supposed not to give anything because this is wild. If they're used to the food that is given by the people, they will not look for their own food anymore, and they will be dependent, and a lot of them might die because nobody gives them. So let's see. If one flies, everybody's flying. They're so noisy. You guys are so very noisy. Oh yeah. Some of them are fighting too. Oh no, this big one, the white one, look like keep biting everybody. Okay, better run away now. There's no more food. I just want to see you guys fly. So, a lot of them, maybe more than 100 here. Different kinds of birds, but mostly these are the geese. They're just waiting for somebody to drop more food. Alright, you better fly. If one fly, everybody will fly. Let's see. I don't see anybody ready to fly. Okay. I don't have food. Don't come near me. Yeah? Yeah, how are you? Don't come near me. They're scavenging for something. Alright. So that's it. It look like nobody wanna fly. I know they're not staying here. Probably they're staying in that island in the middle. Right there in the middle. That's a small island. Probably they're just staying there for a night and then hang out here. Right next to the rim of the rim or the edge of the lake, and wait for somebody to feed them. Alright, I'll stop in the meantime and see you again next time. Goodbye, goodbye. Hello everyone. It's a lazy afternoon and I am just sitting here right next to the lake, and I have to walk around and I can see a lot of birds that's very, very noisy, and people are feeding them. I don't know, maybe they don't understand. There's a big sign that you don't have to feed the birds here, but people, maybe they're just keeping or hiding their bag full of feeds, or maybe some of the bread, and they're just feeding all these birds. So look at this, my friends, a lot of them, and very noisy, especially these geese, very big ones. And these are the birds that wild, and after maybe it's getting dark, they're gonna fly out again and move to another spot for a night. But look at how many of them are just hanging out here, because maybe a lot of people feed them a while ago. So look at the beauty of the surroundings here. It's very calm afternoon. Everybody is ready for going home, and here it is. Maybe I have to wait. It looks like one already fly out. Oh, here you go. They're already flying out, and if they fly, that's the time I really want. I'm waiting for the time that they're gonna fly out. But it looks like nobody flying out, or not, nobody wants to fly yet. But I'll just wait and see if they start to fly away. If they fly, let's see. Look like this group are ready to fly. If one flies, everybody flies. I don't know where they're going, but I'm just waiting. All right. Ooh, that's the one I'm waiting for. So yeah, yes, they already fly out. So maybe another group. Oh, they moved to another area. So that's it. They fly, and just watch this video, my friends. And for sure another group will fly out again. It looks like they're waiting, and there's another group. Oh, dombok niya, dombok. Gagmay niya, gagmay. It looks like they're ready. This group is ready to fly out too. Or maybe they're just walking around, walking out, because they saw people there with feeds. Maybe they're just they will just attack those people. No, they're not flying out. They think there will be food, but no, nothing. All right, this is what I like, because it's getting darker now, Maybe I'm gonna prepare drive home. I just spent I'll just spend a little bit of time here just to relax. This is Whittier Narrows. I don't know what city this belongs, but this is a big park here, Whittier Narrows. Lovely. Very, very lovely. A lot of trees. Even though if it's hot, here is a big difference because of the shade of a tree. There's a big effect to lower down the temperature. So I think that's all for now. There's no more birds that will fly out. Probably they just hang out for a while and then maybe later on. I am just waiting for the moment that they're gonna fly out because I like the way they fly. So thank you for watching, my friends, and see you on my next video posting. My video is very simple, that's all. Hoping you have a good night and have a good rest this weekend, and goodbye.